Welcome to this Beam Spotlight video. You can skip the general introduction by clicking the skip link in the description below. Beam is a puzzle platformer in which you can manipulate light beams to interact with them. Light beams have no collision or other interactable features as long as they are without fog. Other than that, they look nice, of course. Once in contact with fog, they change their behavior. In this series, we will introduce all different light beams and show how they work. Today, the Cyan power beam. The power beam can give energy to electrical devices. Once in contact with fog, it will discharge energy to touching cables or devices, like elevators, levers, buttons, lights, and so on. That concludes our video. Thank you for watching. Leave feedback and thoughts in the comments below. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up and subscribe.